It's called Cobbler. Okay.
Okay.
All right. It's a cup of flour, cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar.
I love these.
And so that it rises, I add a teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda. Yes, that would make a big difference. And then, so you take your cast iron skillet, you preheat the oven to 425.
Okay.
You put half a stick of butter in there, and while the oven warms up, you have the pan in the oven, so it's melting that butter. So you take it out of the oven very carefully. You try and tilt the pan, get the butter around the edge, but those things are heavy, so it hurts my wrists.
Mm-hmm.
Then you add the batter, and the butter will kind of float over the sides, and you'll get a crispy side. And then you top it with fruit, and you can sprinkle it with sugar. I've used every kind of fruit. I've used frozen fruit. I mean, some people like more or less wet or dry or whatever, so
We're gonna
very
have to-
customizable.
How long?
Takes about 40 minutes.
40 minutes.
You want it really good and golden brown on the top.